Hi there, my name's Paice and welcome to my channel. It's my first video for quite a long time. I apologise for that, but I've been moving house and I've had to build my own workshop and everything as well. So that's up and running, and that's what today's video is going to be about. So here we have the new workshop. As you can see, it's a bit of a strange shape and you're probably wondering why that is. Basically because when I measured up, I didn't realise, as it was all covered in leaves, that there was a water meter cover there and what I believe is something to do with the telephones there. So I needed to sort of build around it, which had made its difficulties, I have to say, but hey, it's there together now. Not the best, but I'm no carpenter. So anyway, let's go inside. As you can see, I haven't got as much space as I thought I would have. There we go, at least it's a little bit more organised, and I don't have massive rafters getting in the way. So I took my old shed that was here, or the old owner's shed I should say, that was here, and I used on the inside with some insulation to sort of build it out, keep it a bit warmer in the winter. So there we have my original bead roller, which I hopefully will be using a lot more, and I brought this new sheet metal roller cutter bender, which I've used a little bit already because it didn't come very well set up, so like the actual cutting bit didn't actually go all the way down at all, so I've had to play around with that. It seems to be working okay now. Also brought a English wheel, so I'm hoping to do a lot more sheet metal work soon. We will see. The new welding bench, which, to be honest, with the holes in it, it's probably going to annoy me because I'm going to keep dropping things down the holes, but we see how that goes. And then we've just got the welder. I'll be getting a little bit more into TIG welding, I hope, so I've got another one here somewhere. We've got the all important fire extinguishers, because you never know, do you? Then we've got some shelving here. I've got so much cutlery now, don't know what to do with. There's my old TIG welder, which I'll be getting back into action soon, hopefully. Got the gas there ready, and all that is just junk, as you can see there. Didn't realise I had so much, but I'm sure we've all had that problem. Thanks for joining me in my new workshop. Hopefully I'll be getting up some more videos soon of the new things that I'll be making in here. If you enjoyed the video, please do hit that thumbs up button and please feel free to comment. Take care, bye.